What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Shopify product titles and descriptions by creating a simple automation in make.com. So let's get started. Here, we're going to trigger this automation by capturing product information on Typeform. So on Typeform, I've created a form that I've renamed to Shopify product title and description generator form. On this form, we're going to capture the product name. Also going to capture the key benefits to the customer. Also going to capture who this product is for, and the tone that we should use to write the descriptions. Since we are using Typeform, I'm going to search for Typeform. I'm going to choose a watch response trigger. Here you can see we have two watch responses triggers, one with acid, the other one with instant and acid. But the difference between the two is that the one with acid only, you need to choose when you like to trigger the module. But the one with instant, it instantly triggers after the form is submitted. Since I like to choose when I would like to trigger our module, I'm going to choose the one with acid only to create a connection between make and Typeform by clicking on add, and then here, name your connection and click on save. On the new window that pops up, choose the account that you like to connect to make. The connection will be created. Since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close over here and choose our form. Our form is the Shopify product title and description generator form. Here I'm going to limit it to 1 and click on save. Asking me to choose where to start. You can either choose to start from now, since a specific date, or choose manually. I'm going to choose start from now and click on save. Now on a form, I'm going to click on share. Here I'll copy the link to our form and open it on a new tab. I'm going to fill in our form to generate product titles and descriptions for an example product. So the name of the product, you can say we're selling a wallet. So the product name could be Man's Bifold Wallet, and then I'm going to click on OK. What are the key benefits to the customer? You can say it's leather, so it's difficult to wear and tear. Then I'm going to click on OK. Who is this product for? You can say it's for men. Then I'm going to click on OK. What tone should the description have? You can say playful but professional tone, and then here I'm going to click on submit. Now, make, I'm going to run our module. Here, we capture our product name, the key benefits, and the tone that we'll use to generate our descriptions. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our product to Airtable. So on Airtable, I've created a base that I've renamed to Shopify product base. On this base, I've created a table that I've renamed to product table. Here's where we're going to add the product name, the product title, and the product description here. So here we can add the product name since we already have the product name right here. So I'll search for Airtable. Then here I'm going to click on Airtable and click on create a record. Like we did previous with the Typeform, you'll also need to create a connection between your Airtable and make. Just click on Airtable token or key as a connection type. Here you'll need to add your personal access token. To get your personal access token from your table in your base, click on your profile, then click on build a hub, click on create new token to create a personal access token. Give it a name right here. Then here add the scope and choose to add all the scopes right here. Later on, come and remove the scopes that you don't really need right here. Now for the base, choose all current and future bases in all current and future workspaces. Then click on create token. After creating your token, copy it. Come and paste the token right here and click on save to create your connection. Since I had already created my connection, I'm going to choose my connection right here and choose our base over here, which is Shopify product base. Choose our table right here as a product table. Here we're going to add our product name, choose this product name right here, and come and update, and then we'll update our record later on after we've generated our title and description. Then I'm going to click on save. To add our product to your table, choose one start and choose our submission right here, and then run automation instead of filling out our form again. In your table, you can see we added our product name right here. You can rename this to product name. Click on save. That we've captured our product name and description and added the product to our Airtable. We can go ahead and start generating a title for product. I'm going to use an AI tool. So here you can use either Perplexity, OpenAI, or Gemini. I'm going to use Gemini. So I'll search for Gemini, click on Google Gemini and click on create a completion. Like we did all these other modules, you also need to create a connection between your Gemini account and make by clicking on add, then add your API key right here after you've renamed your connection. To get your API key, open this link on a new tab where you'll create a new API key and come and paste it right here and click on save to create your connection. Since I had already created my connection, I'm going to choose my connection right here. For the AI model, I'm going to choose the latest model, which is Gemini 2.0 over here. This is the latest model that we're using currently. Here I'm going to add an item and choose the role of the model. And here I'm going to add message type as text and then add the prompt for the model. The prompt for the model role could be on the lines of, you're an expert Shopify product title generator specializing in creating catchy, hooking, and SEO-optimized product titles. Here, I'll add another item, choose the role of the user, add an item, choose the message type as text, and add the prompt for the user role. The prompt could be on the lines of, your task is to generate 5 highly engaging product titles based only on the provided product name. Here's the product name, and we're adding the product name from platform. And we're adding instructions right here. The title should be shorter, SEO friendly, and more attractive. Avoid keyword stuffing and dropshipping style titles. It should fit the style of the brand. So now you'll have described the brand over here. Use the provided product name as a sole source of content. Ensure the titles are SEO optimized, emotionally compelling, and click-worthy. Output should be exactly 5 new titles based on the description. No explanation, summaries, or extra text. And then here we are outputting a format for the titles only. The first one should be engaging and SEO friendly. Here we also have another variation of the first title. So generating that option, another compelling title, and the final strong title. Then here I'm going to click on OK. Here, can rename this to product title generator. And then here I'm going to click on OK. And how to generate our product titles. Yeah, I'm going to choose our previous submission. Choose this one right here. Click on save and run automation right here. You can see it generated for us 5 incredibly SEO optimized titles. These are amazing titles that you can choose from over here. Timeless style and modern function, cute and stylish, perfect pocket companion. It's a very incredible title. Now that we're generating our product titles right here, we can go ahead and generate product descriptions. So here, you can duplicate this module, rename this to product description generator, and then click on OK and open it. We're going to choose Gemini 2.0 as our model. For the role of the model, could be in the lines of, you're an expert product description generator specializing in creating catchy, hooking, and SEO optimized product descriptions. The prompt for the user role could be on the lines of, write a product description for a Shopify store that matches the brand's tone. Here we can outline the brand's tone. It should be seductive, elegant, poetic, and we're going to add our tone that we added to a form. Here, use the following structure. Start with one powerful, emotionally evocative opening sentence that draws the reader in. Follow a short paragraph that describes the product's fabrics, fit, and unique design details in a graceful and flowing style. Include 3 persuasive bullet points that highlight the product's benefits, craftsmanship, and standout features. Here are the key benefits of the product, and then here we are also adding the benefits that we added via our form. And with a beautifully written call to action that inspires the reader to make a purchase. Ensure the formatting includes paragraph spacing, no large blocks of text, avoid any extra punctuation like asterisks or hashtags. Do not include any markdown, HTML symbols, or any unnecessary embellishments. Here's the product name. For the output, we'll only like the output to be the SEO optimized product description. Then here I'm going to click on OK. Now to generate our product description, I'm going to choose our previous submission right here. Choose our submission and click on save, and then run automation. Here we generated 5 incredible product titles. Then here you can see the incredible product description that we generated using our tool. Right here, unleash a symphony of sophistication with every touch. That's an incredible opening. And it's going in the craftsmanship of our wallets. Here it's outlining some benefits and ending with that incredible call to action right here. Embrace the allure of understated luxury. Secure your men's by default wallet today and experience the perfect harmony of form and function. That's an incredible product description. It's really nice. After we generated the title and the description, you can go ahead and add the title and the description to a record on your table. So I'll search for your table and click on update a record module. I'm going to choose our base, which is a Shopify product base. I'm going to choose our title, which is a product table over here. Record ID, we're going to grab the record ID from your table. Since we already added our product name, we're not going to add it right here. We're only going to add the product title and the description that we generated over here and click on save. We can also send ourselves a Slack notification notifying ourselves that the title and the description of our product has been generated. So here I'm going to search for Slack. And then on Slack, I'm going to click on create a message node. Now, like you did previously with other modules, you also need to create a connection between your Slack account and Make. Click on add and then click on Slack user. As a connection type, here rename your connection, then click on save. Then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to Make. Here I'll choose to enter our channel from the list. Our channel is a public channel. And I'm going to choose our channel right here. And this is the message that we're going to send ourselves after the title and the description of our products has been generated. The message could be on the lines of, great news, your product titles and description have been successfully generated. It's time to give them a quick review before they go live in your store. Review the generated product titles, then check the product descriptions, make any edits to ensure that the copy flows beautifully and aligns with the audience expectations. Right here, and save and publish if everything feels right. Then here I'm going to click on save. If you have a Shopify store, you can go ahead and post the product description and the titles to your store. So on Shopify, here, just update the product. But if you generated the title and the description, you can go ahead and update the product on Shopify right here. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is right here. And then I now update our record in your table with the title and the description that we generated using automation right here. So to do that, I'll choose where to start and choose manually. And I'm going to choose our record, click on save, then run automation. You can see that automation ran successfully. Capture our product here, this information. We added it in your table. We generated 5 incredible product titles and the description right here, which is awesome. Then we updated our record with the title and description and notified ourselves of that the description and the title have been generated via Slack using this message right here. When we go to a table, you can see we added our product name right here, the titles and the description. You can expand this to view all. So here you can see the product name, the titles that we generated for our product, and the product description right here. It's really catchy, delivers on the value, and gives an incredible call to action right here, which is really nice. By creating this simple automation on Make, we've automated generating product titles and description for products on Shopify. Here we capture the product name and the key benefits of the product. We added the product name on your table. Then using Gemini, we generated the product title and description. Then we updated the record that we created right here with the title and the description. Then we notified ourselves via Slack that the titles and the descriptions have been generated. In your table, you can see the product name right here, the titles that we generated, and the description. You can expand it right here to view more. You can see the title, the product name, product titles. So we can choose one best title right here, and the product description that we generated using Gemini, using automation right here on Make. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create using Make.com, just comment down below in the comment section. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.